everyone. Me and Leala have been dealt with an absolute perler of a day. So we've got the boat on the back, packed lunch, couple of drinks. Probably leaving a little bit later than what I planned. Had a couple of beers last night, so I had to sleep in. We're going to try for whiting first, and we might have a bit of a sit down, have a lunch, and then we'll see what the time is and make a plan on what we're going to target next. Enjoy, everyone. Oh, would you look at that? Absolutely beautiful.
Look how beautiful it is today.
Hopefully the fish are biting.
Yep.
Today is a very special day for us as well. We're out in Papa's boat and it's his birthday today. So hopefully he's watching down on us, he can give us a few fish, eh?
Yep.
Alright everyone, whiting rig, just a simple paternoster rig, sinker and 2 hooks. Bait it up, let's see if there's any fish here.
The bait we're using is squid. No nibbles, no bites yet. Seeing who gets first fish. In a minute we're gonna have lunch and see how it goes. Oh, it looks like Dad's got the first fish.
Not yet.
Nope. Oh.
Doesn't count till it's in the boat.
Oh, I think Dad's on. Dad's on.
It's like a little one though.
Like a little one? Yeah. At least you got one. First fish of the day. Do you think he'll... Oh, well...
Oh, he might be legal, we'll see.
I think he will. He'll be legal. I think. Oh.
Oh, well and truly, look at that. First fish.
Legal. Good job, Dad.
Thanks, darling. Wayne coming out the tube.
Well, looks like he won. But there's still more fish to catch.
Plenty more fish to catch.
Yep.
Oh. Whoa, I got that on film as well. Yeah, that does count as a competition. That's actually pretty cool. Where's the sun?
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
it's beautiful.
Cool, isn't it?
Looks beautiful. Okay, now we're going to release it, but very carefully.
Yeah, lob him back. Good girl, darling.
Okay, he's caught fish.
That's a honker. Kidney slapper.
Is that good? Sick. You've got some up there?
Come on. Come on.
Oh, that's a big one. Another fish. Oh, for a second I thought I got a bite where I was...
Another keeper? It's nice.
No! That just had a red bug on his glasses and it looks like a mosquito. I don't think it's legal. Oof, he's got a bite.
See you later.
And he's on the phone. Okay.
No. Oh, I got off right up.
Dang it.
Oh, here, quick. One.
This has got a fish. Say see ya. See ya.
See you, darling.
See ya.
Flick the bail arm over, darling. Gotta be happy with that, darling.
I am. And it was heavy. I thought it was just double. I think I got a double.
Either a double or it's a big fish. Lift and wind. What do we got here? This is something.
Oh my god, I think what is that?
Lift up.
Is that a stingray?
Nah, it might be a big flathead, I reckon.
That is
Oh, I know what you got.
stingray? Shark?
You got a dog shark.
Oh my god.
Caught a shark, darling.
A dog shark.
Stand back, hold that for me.
Right.
You happy with that?
Yes! Oh my god, I can't believe I caught this. It's not scary either, it's like a dragon.
Let him go when you're ready.
Sure. Guys, look! He's off. Get the crab? Nah. Dang it.
What?
Bug on my freaking... There's like one of them red bugs! Oh my god. It's beautiful out here. It's a bit windy, but that's fine. You good, Dad? You good?
Done a bit of a move because the wind's picked up. I didn't start filming, but we've done 2 drops and we've got 2 fish in the space of about 2 minutes. So I'm sorry if you can't hear with the wind blowing in the speaker. I'm not too sure. I'll see when I edit it. Watch this.
Wasn't it 3? Oh, that's big.
How much was that? So we need 5 more, right?
Yeah. Oh, Dad.
What? Yeah!
Oh, it's bleeding. It's bleeding.
Oh, probably not before. He's just
This one.
This one's aimed already.
Yeah. This one's good.
Birthday. A beautiful little red mullet. Give him a kiss.
No, thank you. She's not.
What do you say, Leila? Call it a day?
Yeah, I said cool today. It's fine.
What a cracker day! Hey? Right, we're at the end of the day. Me and Leila have we haven't got our bag limit, we've got a pretty good number of fish. What we're going to do now is put them in the scaling bag. Now my tip for the day is anything where the fork length is under 32, don't put it in a scaling bag. Because if you get pulled up with the fisheries and they measure your fish, they can only go by the length of how big your fish are. And once you put them in the scaling bag, they lose a centimetre or 2. So now that I'm grabbing out of the esky, I'll measure them again. And where the fork length is under 32, I'll show you what I mean. So if you see right here, this here is where the tip is, where you measure it. Fork length is here, so he's 35. He's well and truly in. So if you see here, he's 33, but the fork length is 31. So I'm not going to put him in the scaling bag because that bit of the tail might wash off. And when they measure it back at the boat ramp, they can only go by where it washes off to, and it might fall under 32. So we'll leave him out of the scaling bag. Alright, I don't know if you can see it, the scaling bag's in the water. Lily, can you film for me?
Sure.
What we're going to do is get up to about 15 to 20 k's an hour.